Welcome to Choice Champions. The best kimchi fried rice is probably one of the most versatile and satisfying dishes you can whip up in your kitchen, offering a delightful explosion of spicy, savory, and tangy flavors that dance on your palate with every single bite, making it a go-to meal for a quick lunch, a hearty dinner, or even a flavorful breakfast. And its vibrant red hue is as appealing to the eyes as its taste is to your taste buds, promising a culinary adventure that's both comforting and exciting. Number 5. Wang Korean canned stir-fried kimchi. Experience the rich and authentic taste of Korean cuisine. This stir-fried kimchi is a perfect addition to any meal. Get a convenient pack of 12 cans, ensuring you always have this delicious side dish on hand. It's perfect for stocking up your pantry. Each can is filled with perfectly stir-fried kimchi, capturing the ideal balance of spice and tang. Enjoy its delightful texture and flavor. This kimchi is ready to eat straight from the can. It's a quick and easy way to elevate your everyday meals with a touch of Korean zest. Serve it as a side dish with rice, noodles, or your favorite Korean barbecue. Its versatility makes it a staple for any food lover. Savor the traditional flavors of Korea with this classic stir-fried kimchi. It brings a taste of home to your table with every bite. What we like. This offers a convenient way to enjoy stir-fried kimchi. Its ready-to-use nature saves you prep time. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to add authentic kimchi flavor to your meals, this is a great choice. What people say. This kimchi fried rice is incredibly flavorful and has a satisfying spicy kick that isn't overwhelming. The texture of the rice is perfect, with each grain distinct and not mushy, and the kimchi pieces are tender yet retain a slight crunch. It's a convenient and quick meal option, perfect for busy weeknights when you want something delicious without a lot of prep time. Number 4. Fusion Select Korean Rice Cakes Tteokbokki. Experience the true taste of Korea with our delicious rice cakes. Perfect for a quick and satisfying meal. Enjoy this classic dish without worry. It's completely vegan and gluten-free, making it suitable for various dietary needs. We use only non-GMO ingredients for a wholesome and natural product. You can feel good about what you're eating. These rice cakes are incredibly versatile. Use them as a pasta alternative or enjoy them as a delightful Asian snack. This convenient 3-pack ensures you have plenty to share or enjoy over multiple occasions. Stock up and savor the flavor. Whip up a delicious tteokbokki dish in minutes. It's the perfect solution for a busy weeknight or a flavorful appetizer. What we like. These rice cakes provide a delightful chewy texture perfect for tteokbokki. Being vegan and gluten-free makes them accessible to many diets. If you are craving authentic Korean street food and need a healthy option, these are ideal. What people say. The kimchi fried rice has a great balance of spicy and savory flavors, with tender pieces of kimchi and perfectly cooked rice. Easy to prepare, just heat and eat, making it a convenient meal option for busy weeknights. The portion size is generous, providing a satisfying meal that is great value for money. Number 3. Jongga Spicy Premium Cabbage Kimchi, Pack of 4. Experience the rich, authentic taste of Korea with our premium cabbage kimchi. It's fermented to perfection for a truly satisfying flavor. Enjoy the convenience of a long shelf life. This kimchi stays fresh, ready for your meals whenever you need it. Elevate your dishes with this versatile ingredient. It's the perfect addition to ramen, rice, and stir-fries. Get ready for a delightful spicy kick. This pickled cabbage offers a bold flavor that awakens your palate. Add an exciting twist to your stir-fries. Its unique taste complements a variety of ingredients beautifully. This convenient pack of 4 ensures you always have this delicious kimchi on hand. It's great value for your kitchen. What we like. This kimchi is specifically designed for stir-frying, ensuring great texture and flavor. Its long shelf life means you can keep it on hand for whenever the craving strikes. If you love a spicy kick and want a premium kimchi for your stir-fries, ramen, or rice dishes, this is the one. What people say. The kimchi fried rice has a satisfying spicy kick that is not overwhelming. The texture of the rice is perfect, not too mushy and not too dry. It's convenient for a quick meal, just heat and eat. Number 2. Gustus Vitae Fried Rice Seasoning Collection. Elevate your home-cooked meals with our expertly crafted fried rice seasoning. It's the perfect blend of authentic flavors to make your dishes extraordinary. We believe in the power of pure ingredients. That's why our seasonings are made with all-natural, non-GMO components, ensuring a wholesome taste. Experience the difference of small batch, handmade quality. Each blend is carefully prepared to bring you the finest taste. Enjoy delicious meals that align with your wellness goals. Our seasoning is designed to be GLP-1 friendly, making healthy eating a delight. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This collection is ideal for any occasion, bringing gourmet flavor to friends and family. Keep your kitchen organized and stylish with our magnetic tins. They conveniently stick to your fridge or spice rack. What we like? This collection offers gourmet spice blends for exceptional fried rice. Made with all-natural, non-GMO ingredients, it's a healthier choice. If you're looking for a way to elevate your fried rice with unique, high-quality flavors and want a diet-friendly option, this seasoning set is perfect. What people say. This kimchi fried rice is a game-changer for quick weeknight meals. It's packed with flavor and has a satisfying texture. The portion size is generous, and the ingredients are fresh. I love that it's ready in just a few minutes. The spice level is just right, not too overwhelming, but definitely has a kick. It tastes authentic and delicious. Number 1. Phenomenal fried rice, amazing recipes. Tired of bland fried rice? Discover simple methods to create restaurant-quality dishes right in your own kitchen. Get ready for a flavor explosion. Our guide breaks down the process into easy steps. You'll be whipping up amazing fried rice in no time, impressing everyone with your culinary skills. Explore a wide range of delicious recipes, from classic combinations to exciting new twists. There's a perfect fried rice for every palate. We focus on straightforward techniques that deliver incredible taste and texture. Say goodbye to complicated cooking and hello to satisfying meals. This is your ultimate resource for mastering fried rice. Elevate your home cooking with these easy-to-follow recipes and tips. What we like? This provides a collection of amazing fried rice recipes. It focuses on simple methods for guaranteed success in the kitchen. If you're a beginner or just want to perfect your fried rice game with easy-to-follow instructions, this recipe book is your best bet. What people say. The kimchi fried rice has a good balance of spicy and savory flavors. It's convenient for a quick meal and tastes authentic. The texture of the rice is perfect, not too mushy or too dry. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.